Hi, my name is Amanda Holden-Sanisi, and I'm the Head of Vertical Marketing and Programs at Kontron. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of our latest and greatest and highly innovative products called the Kontron FusionClient. The Kontron FusionClient is a really incredible product, especially if you're dealing in the industrial automation space. It has a highly rugged design, and it is a very, very user-friendly HMI. Not only in that, but it provides an enhanced user experience, and it allows people in industrial automation to focus on different types of priorities, especially with regarding IoT, so that they can maintain connectivity and reliability in the ways that are best suited for their business. We actually have the FusionClient here today. I brought it all the way with me from Germany, so we'll be looking at that in a minute. But what I'd like to share with you is that it is based on our box PC, so it can come in three varieties. You can have the integrated display box, which we'll be showing you today. You can have just the touch panel display or just the computer itself. So why we're so excited about this product is because it really offers a stunning design with endless possibilities. The FusionClient is one of the products from the industrial computer platform, and as I shared with you the last time I was visiting, the industrial computer platform is very important because it is smart automation ready. So basically it allows for machine builders and whatnot to plug in the device, and basically it just works. We say also forever young, which means it has a modular concept. So the integrated COM Express or Smart board that you would find embedded in this product is easily upgradable at the point in time in which you find you need additional power. And a very special German word called Wartungsfrei, which actually means service-free. So digging in a little bit deeper to these benefits, one of the things we pride ourselves on, of course, is our relationship and our partnership with Intel. And of course, in order to have this, all of our products are scalable. But this first version of the FusionClient is based on Bay Trail, and we are leading a path to the Intel Core I processors using a Kontron-developed COM Express. We are offering several display sizes that can be customized to your liking. And of course, we have the same carrier board that can be used for the future designs, even in the non-display box or the thin client. One of the really cool things about the FusionClient is, as I mentioned, the time to market is very fast. So it's easily upgradable to the next generation of processor when you find that your business needs require such a thing. We do offer custom I/O via an I/O extension board. And of course, through our MOS program, you can label the FusionClient with your company's logo. And there are various BIOS adoptions that are also available. The Wartungsfrei is also important because, of course, in a factory setting, you don't want to have any moving parts. So this is also what we provide here with the FusionClient. One of the top priorities of factories, smart automation factories right now, of course, is, would you believe, a user-friendly HMI. And the FusionClient is incredibly user-friendly. It has a touch screen. We have, it's edgeless, and it's made with incredibly, very nice-looking glass. And now I think instead of me talking about it, I'd like to show you how user-friendly it is. So this is the FusionClient that I brought with me today. As you can see, it has a very rugged design. It's white in color. We also have a black option. But as we were talking about, the reason that this HMI is so special is because it has a very user-friendly interface. So I'm going to click on this world map. And the demo I'm about to show you is really interesting. It's a gesture demo, and we're using Intel's RealSense camera that is also built into the FusionClient. So if you are across the factory floor and need to make a change to the HMI, you can easily do so by using gestures. This is a Kontron map, and I'm going to place my hand directly over one of our sites that we have here. And without touching the HMI, it's going to pull up. There we go. So this is our site actually in Montreal, Canada. You can see two wonderful photographs of this site. And now that I've shown that to you, to continue on, we do a thumbs up, and then it exits out of the demonstration. And we could, of course, do another one. Let's, of course, go over to the west coast of the US. So over here, we have 2 offices located. Now I am, if I can be still, acquiring information. This is our headquarters of the United States. This is our office in Poway. So this is a nice picture of what Kontron looks like in San Diego. And we return to the map. So you can see how this is a very valuable feature to have when you're running a factory. And now moving on to some of the other great benefits that we offer inside of our Fusion client. We offer a Wi-Fi antenna that's directly behind the glass front. So what this means is, aside from having seamless connectivity with all of the plant machinery and everything else connected to the floor, we ensure that you have full bandwidth even when the Fusion client is mounted inside a cabinet door. So not always are you going to see the Fusion client in your workspace. So this is one of the really great things that we have done in the design of this product. And so far the feedback has been really incredible about this as well. And RFID. Of course, we've been talking about RFID for many, many years. But this is very important in this type of setting because it enables highly secure user access. So in specific industrial market use cases, some things are, machines are password protected. You have to be able to track certain products through the production process. And also it doesn't allow anyone who's walking on the factory floor to access and to perhaps change what those machines are doing. So there is a safety involved with using RFID because people are able to manage their inventories and they're able to keep track of all of their assets. And of course, this provides an improved asset utilization rate across all of the facilities. So RFID right on the screen. And one of the things that we're also very excited about is it's called our Innovative and Intelligent LED Alarm Bar. And this, I learned, is really interesting because it allows people who are walking through a factory floor to get optical feedback. So for instance, if you program the HMI to show you when there are specific failures in a production process, you understand where exactly the failure was based on the color that you could see from across the factory floor. So the demonstration that I just showed you, of course, we saw the alarm bar being green and red, but it's also programmable for different colors depending on what exactly you're trying to do. And this is really up to you. So it's a really interesting way to be able to see that things are going right in your factory or things are going wrong. And everybody who's managing a factory floor, of course, wants to know what exactly is happening. So this allows to be able to see real-time data acquisition and monitoring. Why you should be considering the Kontron FusionClient. So just a quick review. The HMI user experience, as I mentioned, in smart automation factories, people want good-looking products now. So that's one of the reasons why we developed the Kontron FusionClient, is because they want a very nice-looking and a very user-friendly HMI. Of course, because it's Kontron and we are working on IoT, of course, having a holistic IoT approach that can plug directly into your solution is also very important. And along with the industrial computer platform, we have smart automation excellence. So of course, as we've demonstrated today, there are a lot of really interesting things that you can do with this HMI. It has the availability to have just the screen, the PC and the screen, or just the PC. So depending on what your needs are, we can also customize things for you. And of course, as Kontron has been in the industry of industrial automation for many, many years, and we provide very, very nice industrial platforms with high quality, and of course, everyone who works with us has a high level of expertise. So we invite you to explore more options with the Kontron FusionClient and discover your endless possibilities with us.